Hi, welcome to my doll customizing journey. My name is Josephine and these are my creatures. Now, this creature is not made by me, but it is mine because I bought it from Katharina, aka Vandelorcraft on Instagram, and this doll is called Artemius, and Katharina makes wonderful male dolls. Now, she doesn't sell all of her dolls, but sometimes she does, and I've been following her for, I don't know, 2 years on Instagram, and she's one of those artists that I've always really liked, and she has a very distinctive style. Like, if you saw a picture of her work, you would instantly know it's hers. Yeah, she sent me the doll, and there is some goodies, also some extra stuff. Picking of stuff, I'm wearing doll motion merch. I love this top. It's so Halloweeny and cute, and usually I don't like merchandise, but this one I really like the colors, and I do like it that it's very Halloween. And I didn't have any Halloween t-shirts, so now I do have one. Hopefully it's still available. If it is, I will link it down below. It was limited edition. Let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Okay, there is a cute little postcard with a note. I will read this off camera because maybe there's something that she doesn't want to share with everyone, but it is a thank you card. And then, oh my god, there's so much stuff. There's this tissue paper. Oh, here's his wings. So here's his wings. They are probably magnetic because there's a magnet there. Put those aside. Then we have black and silver ribbon, very cute. And then we have all sorts of decorations, like little ribbon flowers, roses and other flowers. And then we have a few of these decorative metal pieces, which I think are great. Don't know what I'm gonna do with those, but I'm sure they will come in handy. Oh, there's some purple ones. Oh no, I just finished my purple doll. They would have been great. I had to make my own ribbon flowers. And there's some white ribbon. This is also very nice and comes in handy. And then we have more butterflies, more wings. I think she mentioned that these were like some sort of refrigerator magnets or something. Like these are pre-made and she just reused them. Oh, these are great! Look! I can make him some friends if he gets lonely. Ah, these are great! Or I can switch up his wings if I want to. That is an option too. Oh, look at these. Look at this one. I quite like this one, obviously, because it has purple in it. It's my favorite. Or one of my favorites, because I also like this yellow one. I also like yellow. Thank you so much, Katharina. And then we have a little book. I think these are his accessories, maybe, because I do remember seeing this tiny bottle on somewhere. And then we have a tiny book. And it has real paper and real pages. These are like great. Oh my god, these are great. Oh, can't wait to use those on somewhere. Then we have packing peanuts. Tons and tons of packing peanuts. I think this is a doll stand. Yes, always handy because I never have enough. And then we have a chocolate heart. How cute. Thank you. And then I assume that this is the doll. Here's the rest of the stand. And then we still have something. We have fabrics. Oh my god. Oh, this feels nice. It's nice and thin. Oh, can't wait to make something out of this. Oh, and then we have silver. Silver one. I do have a gold fabric that's similar to this, but it's nice to have a silver one because gold doesn't go with everything. Oh my god, and then we have this scaly fabric, which is holographic, like Christine would approve. Yay! Oh, it almost looks like some sort of dragon skin-esque. And then we have more! We have these little jewels. Little jewels and jewelry bits, and oh my god, these will come so handy decorating my creations. Okay, that's everything. I'll put the box down. And the piece de resistance. I don't speak French. Why did I say that? Oh my god. Oh, he's so detailed. Look at all this leather. Okay, now we're gonna remove his head protection. You always have to have some sort of weird contraption when you are shipping dolls so that they don't get damaged or anything. And he has those Vandelorcraft ears. She always makes elf ears because she pretty much only makes elves. So they're very quintessential to her style. Hopefully I'm not cutting anything important here. No, it was just paper. I can see his face. Oh my god. Ooh. Look. I can never get yarn hair to look like this. Mine is always like crinkly and just disgusting. That's why I rarely use it. But this is gorgeous. This is so soft and long and shiny. Like how? I've tried it so many times and it always ends up crazy. Look, he has a little necklace and all these chains and buckles and... Okay, we need to add his wings because there is a magnet in his back. Where did these were the original ones that he came with. I will show you guys close-ups in a second, or maybe sprinkled in once I get some B-roll going on. Oh my god, look at his face. I love looking at other people's work, like really close up. I think he has a shrunken head. Yeah, I think he has, because this looks a little bit smaller than what it would be. I really love shrunken heads on my dolls, so I didn't even realize that he had a shrunken head. I'm so happy to add this doll to my collection. I love dolls that are brown and green. I have like 3 of my own. I just love this color palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet done that. Click the bell while you're at it and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of him, or anything. How's your day doing? Until next time, bye! This is really good. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this. Bye again.